Good morning, 8th class. Today we are going to revise the chapter spellings. This chapter we have done earlier also, and today we recapitulate it. Let us revise once again what we have done this chapter. So the chapter name is spellings. You know what are spellings very well? That we are speaking the word with correct pronunciation and the correct letters, the order of letters should be correct when the spelling is correct. Just as TCA, 3 letters are there and I arrange them in a proper way, then it will become cat, right? So the pronunciation and the sequence of the letter, it should be correct in a spelling. So see what is written. A spelling play an important role in learning a language. We have divided this chapter in 2 parts, and in part A the spelling rules and part B deals with the words which are something sometime misspelled. To study the both parts, let us see. Part A, it is spelling rules. You see what are the rules are given. Everybody knows how many vowels are there in our English alphabet? Yes, you are right. 5 are there. A, E, I, O, U. And there are 21 consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So 5 vowels and 21 consonants are there. Now you see what is written, suffix. A suffix is a group of letters added to the end of a word. For example, harm plus full. It is harmful. So full is a suffix. Full is a suffix. It is a group of letters that is added to the end of a word, and it will become a new word now. Now see here, noun, verbs and adjectives can have the following ending. Noun, S plus ES. If we add S or ES with any noun, then it will become plural, singular and plural. Then it is pen, pens, girl, girls, match, matches, boy, boys. Then verbs, S or es, after he, she, ate, singular verb, plays, rings, washes. Then verb, ing, present participle, singing, jumping, beating. Then verb, ed, they are regular verbs. Those take D and ed in the end. Then they are played, troubled, enjoyed. Then degrees, comparative degree, ER, adjective plus ER, then it is comparative degree. Sweeter, kinder, softer. Then adjective plus EST, superlative degree. Then it is sweetest, kindest, softest. Then adjective plus ly, forming the adverbs. Especially we form the adverbs with that. Sweetly, kindly and softly. So what are these? We have added what? Suffix here. When we use these endings, there are something change in spelling. And some examples are given below. Noun plus verbs S or ES. The ending is ES when the word end in S, SS, SH, CH and X. Bus, buses, class, classes, dish, dishes, match, matches, box, boxes. And see the verbs, miss, misses, smash, smashes, catch, catches, fix, fixes. Right? Now you see the next. Come on the next page now. Yeah. Note also noun hero, heroes, mango, mangoes, potato, potatoes, do, does, and go, goes. If a verb ends in E, we leave E before ing. Hope, hoping, be, being, free, freeing, see, seeing. B part, if a verb ends in E, we add D in the past or the regular verbs. Achieve, achieved, acquire, acquired, settle, settled. If the verb ending in IE, then changes Y into before ing. Tie, tying, lie, lying, die, dying. If an adjective ends in E, we add R and ST for the comparative and superlative degree. See, brave, braver, bravest, fine, finer, finest. See now ly how it is used: sincere, sincerely, polite, politely, active, actively, horrible, horribly, respectable, respectably. Now see in the box, Y changes to IE, that is S. City, cities, baby, babies. Worry, worried, verify, verified, try, tried. Then Y changes to I before ER or EST. Busy, busier, busiest. Early, earlier, earliest. Y changes to I before ly. Happily and heavily. Y does not change before ing. Flying, trying, frying, crying. Then donkey, Y does not change if a word ends in a vowel plus Y. Donkeys and toys. Day or daily. Pay, paid, say, said, lay, late. Now come to the second page, next page. Many rules are there. Just as rob, robbing, robbed, allot, allotting, allotted, big, bigger, biggest, hot, hotter, hottest. If the word has more than one syllable, we double the final consonant only if the final syllable is stressed. Begin, then it is beginning. Permit, permitting, permitted. If the final syllable is not stressed, we do not double the final consonant. Visit, visiting, visited. Remember, remembering, remembered. Okay? Now come downside. It's exercise 112. You see, you have done it also. Write down the new words after additions. Put plus ing. Then it is putting. PUTTING, putting. Wet plus est, it is wettest. WETTEST, cancelled. CANCELLED, easily. EASILY, terribly. Planned, hoped. Heavier, largest, thinnest, hopped, studies. Okay, you can do them very easily. We have to add the suffix with them. Now come to this. These are exercise 113. See what is there. Choose the word that is correctly spelled in each of the following groups. 3 spellings are given of the one word and out of them one is correct. See number 1. NINTY, N-I-N-E-T-Y, N-I-N-N-E-T-Y. So which one is correct? It is second one, 90. N-I-N-E-T-Y. Okay, you can do this. Tell the spelling of bicycle. Yeah, B-I-C-Y-C-L-E. Tell the spelling of businessman. B-U-S-I-N-E-S-S. Tell the spelling of difference. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E. Tell the spelling of sense. Mostly the students confused and they write the spelling S-E-N-C-E. But it is wrong. The correct spelling is S-E-N-S-E, sense. Okay. So we have to do this exercise in this way. I think you all have done it. You can take the help of your dictionary and then you see the correct spelling. Then it is exercise 114. Find out the letter that is not needed in each of the following word. Painful. What is extra here? It is last L. P-A-I-N-F-U-L. Only one L is needed. Zoology. Z-O-O-L-L-O-Z-Y. What is extra? It is L. Zoology. Z-O-O-L-O-G-Y. Valuable. Truly. See what is extra? V-A-L-U-A-B-L-E. is extra. Truly is extra. T-R-U-L-Y. Hungry. H-U-N-G-R-Y. Typed. P-T-Y-P-E-D. Argument. E. Vigorous. Okay. Now see downside 115. Name the letter that is missing in each of the following words. One letter is missing, and what is that? Masculine. M-A-S-C-U-L-I-N-E. E is missing in the last. Illiterate. I-double-L-I-T-R-A-T-E. So what is the spelling? I-L-L-I-T-E-R-A-T-E. Illiterate. Similarly, engine. E-N-G-I-N-E. Illegible. I-L-L-E-G-I-B-L-E. Cigarette. Balloon. Boundary. Beggar. Okay. So we have to correct the spelling and we have to write the letter that is missing in each of the following words. Now it is the last page. Here are also the spellings, single or double. Choose the correct form of the words from each of the pair. You see, single or double. Scenery, scenery. Usually, usually. Committee, committee. One is wrong and one is correct. So you have to find out which is correct and which is wrong. S-C-E-N-E-R-Y. Usually, U-S-U-A-L-L-Y. Committee, C-O-M-M-I-T-T-E. Writing, W-R-I-T-I-N-G. Professor, P-R-O-F-E-S-S-O-R. Okay, you can do in this way. Then same exercise 117. It is also A or E. Choose the correct form of the word from each pair below. Residence, residence. Superintendent, superintendent. Grammar, grammar. Abundance, abundance. Dependence, dependence. A very common word, grammar. G-R-A-M-M-A-R. Now see exercise 118. spell out in full the words that are spelled here in part. He is a TAIL-R, tailor. Disappeared, received, divide, 40, accommodate. I have most finished my work. He is a mischievous boy. My shirt is yellow in color. This is a valuable opportunity. I shall go there tomorrow. So it's all for today. I think you can do this exercise. Bye, students.